मेरे को लगता है कि मैंने थोड़ा मेथड एक्टिंग कर लिया है आज के एपिसोड के लिए, क्योंकि जस्ट रिकॉर्ड करने के पहले मैंने दबाई है पाव भाजी.
Oh my god.
एंड यू नो
Oh
व्हाट,
my
नॉट जस्ट
god.
पाव भाजी, वो वेज चीज पिज्जा आता है ना उसके साथ, तो मैं
अरे
को लेता हूँ, पिज्जे पे डालता हूँ, देयर पिज्जा.
wait, that pizza that has capsicum on it, na?
Yeah,
And cheese.
capsicum,
Yeah.
onion, and cheese.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, see, I know Kautuk, you would love it. I'm regretting it. And
Arey.
Baba's going to leave this podcast right now.
I don't even know why Baba is on the podcast. Like, this is not even a scene at all.
Baba is just going to come and cry.
Hey, Baba, this is your horror podcast, no?
एक मिनट मैं लू जाके आ रहा हूँ. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random videos of facts, that's Ghana, put the stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is on fast food. But I suddenly got the intro right.
Yeah, dude, I was just.
You missed shocking.
That's fine, yaar. Random interesting weird absurd बोल दिया ना, shocking नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं कभी.
But it's still.
Shocks बोल रहा.
Yeah, it's still very fluent as compared to any of the lives you do, where it's just like. Random के बाद shocking.
Shocking shocks.
हाँ, stocking shocks.
Shocking shocks. तो fast food, guys. Fast food तुम्हारा सबसे first चीज तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या आती है जब मैं बोलता हूँ fast food? That'll clearly show what you eat at the most.
McDonald's.
Straight up.
Really?
Baba?
What?
Yeah,
I don't know.
fast food.
Funnily
Dabeli.
enough, I would say pizza or something. Bro.
Pizza, you would say?
Pizza as in like what chain are you talking about?
Yeah, is it Pizza Hut or Domino's?
No.
Or is it Amar Juice?
No. Neither.
Capsicum. Hey,
No.
fuck, Baba. Shit. And Thakur, have you
No,
eaten
no,
at Past the
no.
Salt? It's in
Pass
Bombay.
the
Have you,
salt.
Past the Salt. Have you eaten at this
No.
place? It's in Vile Parle. Okay, Siddhi and I ordered it just yesterday. They give you a Chicago style deep dish pizza. It
Okay.
is by far the best pizza I've had. Okay, we ordered a French onion pizza. It's
Oh,
this
no.
thick. Okay, this thick. Nicki Minaj level of thick. Okay, and it's cheese and then there's French onion, caramelized onion, sauce.
Tell
You
me
got a
what is-
Chicago style pizza from Parla.
It's a pie.
One sec.
They sent a pie. It was the
You know it's a French onion soup, right? Because
Yeah.
it's with beef stock and things like that. So what's it doing on a pizza, dude?
अरे बाबा तू क्वेश्चन मत कर ये सब चीज.
Baba,
तुम
you
मंगाओ.
can't sit and question everything you hear in this episode because it's
Listen.
going to be very opposite to what you traditionally like. And for most of us, at least Kautuk and me, fast food is the bane of our existence.
What?
What?
Fast food.
No, it's the
It's the
not
bane of your existence, Thakur.
Bro,
Yeah,
you think it's boon, it's easy, you go eat, you fucking love it, and then boom, instant regret. Like
No, I don't
when
think
I was
Kautuk
calling
has
for
instant
pav bhaji
regret.
right now, I knew I was going to feel this before I ordered.
I don't think Kautuk
knew.
has
I
don't
instant
feel it.
regret.
I don't feel it. I don't even if I
He's still 30, dude. Give him those 3-4 years.
get but Baba, you know something, the way I treat diarrhea like the the tax that you have to pay.
Oh, thank God. I thought you were going to say I thought you were going to say that I treat diarrhea like the badge of honor that you wear
also-
after
or
the
that.
battlefield of fast food. You know what I'm
Also
saying?
true.
The more
Like-
intense the shit, the happier Kautuk is. He's like,
You know, like how you have
Full
the
is
more the
brigadier.
throw,
brigadiers.
the more the throw.
Yeah, like you know,
ew.
like it's a, yeah. The more urgent you have to go after. That's how good the food is.
Guys,
Funnily enough, even for fast food, right? Like, if you notice, most of them have similar colors, right? 9 out of 10 have red,
Yeah, it's true.
right? Or a yellow. You think of any of the big
And
ones,
McDonald's has both.
yeah. So
Which
they
is
have
why
the
it's
golden
the
arches
best.
and they have red.
Yeah.
और उसके ऊपर ना, so I've seen this fucking video where they speak about why they use red because
because mustard and ketchup together,
Arey.
those two colors.
Like,
Arey Baba, there is a
Arey,
science
yes.
behind why you use
that's
red
what I'm
onion.
saying. The science behind it in that video that they explained was that we had words for the color black or white, the neck, the third color that we actually have a name for in the early times of human existence was red. So apne paas already there's a deeper connection to the color red. It signifies urgency. So most of these they play a trick on your brain. Like it's very enticing. You see it, you enter, it's all like glossy and big. Automatically your brain is just hardwired into going in. You'll think, "Arey, main ek burger lega," and suddenly you're walking out with like Happy Meal, Pizza McPuff, fucking bigger ounces of cola
You've
than you
still not
wanted
said
to.
fries.
And fries, shit. I don't know how
Fries.
that's
Hey,
blasphemous.
but okay, tell me something. Are you just regular fries or are you a peri peri fry person?
No, I love peri peri, bro.
I'm a peri peri fry only, exclusive.
No, the thing is, after porn, what I end up doing is I don't need the fries. मैं पेरी पेरी मसाला हाथ
वो
में डाल के
Maggi masala type.
You're like that addict who can't do like the small thing. You have to inject it in your eyeballs. You know, you're that addict who's like,
No,
we have a bill for this. No, I don't.
I think peri peri fries. I think peri
पेरी
Peri
पेरी
peri.
अबे पेरी पोना
Peri
क्या
peri.
बोल रहे हैं पेरी पेरी
Arey peri peri. They started calling it. It started with PERI. No.
no, it was always piri piri only.
Oh,
अरे
because-
that comes from Nando's because Nando's peri peri chicken was really
which
big.
comes from South Africa.
Yes, but in popular culture peri peri got really big because of Nando's. फिर वो peri peri पेरी पेरी
Peri pona.
पेरी पोना
So
sauce.
peri peri. I'm a both fries guy, but I'm definitely a McDonald's fries guy.
तू मैकडॉनल्ड्स जाता है बाबा?
Yeah.
मंगाता भी है. ऐसा
Dude,
नहीं.
but one second. Have you had that experience of shaking the bag in public
Yeah.
and it being a slightly weird experience?
No,
where-
because there's 4 other guys doing this only.
idiot.
But you know, like, have you noticed this one thing where now suddenly you feel like every time I go to a McDonald's now, I end up paying a lot of money.
Like you buy a lot
Like
of shit.
fast food. No, not just that. See, fast food traditionally
It's
was
supposed to be done
supposed to
super
be
cheap.
like super cheap, which is why it became a thing, right? Like US mein there was a chain like 30 years before McDonald's, Burger King and all came. It was called White Castle,
Yeah.
right? Because
Arun
till,
Kumal.
till that point of time, when like the meatballs, right, the ground beef that was used came with its own, like, people were thinking that it's almost spoiled meat, it's the remnants, it's not the good stuff that they, because it's just ground, you don't realize what it is. So they had that sort of impression, and it was supposed to be cheap food. You know, it's not anything bigger. So this guy at White Castle was making meatballs once, and it was taking damn long to cook. So he got angry and he hit it with the spatula. तो वो पतला हो गया और better cook हुआ. And people started enjoying it more. So he's like, fuck, I can now, instead of selling one this, I've flattened made 2, I can sell more quantity. They started doing that. And White Castle, what they did after that to get rid of all of these issues people had about cleanliness, etc., they started the open kitchen format where you could see your food being made, right? And they went all out for cleanliness. Even the name White Castle came from that. White signifies purity, cleanliness.
No,
you
even
know.
White Castle, even the ads and all that, they all have this like angelic vibe and.
And
Yeah,
30 years before McDonald's, 1920s की बात कर रहे हैं, तभी खोला था.
I'm
And
so
they've
glad.
still not gone international. They're still Midwest, little on the West Coast, but nowhere else. They've not gone outside. They don't have
And then
franchises
there's a-
outside the US.
And
But
then there's
imagine
another
the-
small burger chain which is called Five Guys.
Oh,
which
bro.
which is the best fast food burger chain, I think.
Yeah.
That
You know something? Can I tell you
Oh,
something?
God.
I've only heard of Five Guys on this podcast repeatedly from you guys.
Yeah.
And you know how the conversation goes? Someone mentions Five Guys, and then the other person goes, Five Guys.
Oh, fuck, bro.
Five Guys. Like,
Amazing.
hey, this is the conversation.
Hey, लेकिन है, but you remember the furor that was created when McDonald's opened in India?
yes, can I tell you personal story?
Yeah.
Personal story.
Did you personally go and break the one in Thane?
No.
Oh, okay.
So I'm older than that. Remember?
Oh, wow.
So the first McDonald's opens in Bombay, on Linking Road.
Nice. Was it the one that still is around?
Yeah, same one.
Yeah, except it was bigger.
That was the first one?
Yeah.
Yes, that was the
Wouldn't have
first one.
guessed.
Yeah,
And
उसके बाद
it was in
लोकल
the-
वाला में खुला.
And it was in the year 1997 or 1996.
And you were a ripe young 37.
Yeah. So I was in FYJC.
Huh.
Okay, when it opened, and I was at National College. So from Jay Sandwich and
Jai San-
other
Ah.
And Ravi Rice.
and
Ravi Rice, bro.
from Jay Sandwich and all of that. And Varun, you're also right about that one sentence about the fact that you go to McDonald's and you pay a fuck ton of money. Okay,
It's big. It's right now.
because
in the
and
last,
then-
like, 5 odd years
and
also
then
I've seen.
it's no, I'm saying it, but it's for the same. It's not just the amount you're buying. It's also the, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं तभी भी फिले ऑफ फिश खाता था,
Yeah.
अभी भी फिले ऑफ फिश खाता है, तभी भी एक मैक बर्गर आता था, मटन वाला बर्गर उन लोग ने स्टार्ट
वो
किया
था क्या
They-
मटन पहले?
yeah, they came with
अभी now तो it's a Burger King only exclusive.
yeah. So they come with a Mac burger or whatever, right? So हम लोग ऐसा नेशनल कॉलेज से जाने का, चल के मैकडोनल्ड्स उधर फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे बैठ के एक स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क मंगा के
या एक
छह
fries.
लोग बैठ के एक स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क रख रहे बस, because and then they figured it out that this was happening, so then they put a no sitting there, no loitering sign, etc करके. But हाँ, हम लोग opening customers था bro, like not first day first show type, but like in the
So I remember being in the 5th, 6th standard or something. My parents had gone out, and I was staying with my Masi for the weekend. And obviously, we are at the Masi will spoil you. And that's the first time I went to McDonald's. It had just opened in the Lokhandwala mein gaya. And dude, I remember it so clearly because that first time your nose got the smell of the
fried,
fries being
yeah.
cooked, and you were hooked. It's like that drug addict who unknowingly was injected with the most intense whatever drug there is.
It's the most
And now you
primal, yeah, most primal biochemistry. It just attacks it like
And the
that.
thing with
Dude,
the McDonald's
I
fries
think
are
it
the
hardwires
same.
you then.
The
Yeah,
McDonald's
they have to
fries
be.
are consistently the same across the world, huh?
Yeah.
They're
It's
the
like
same.
it's like there's one giant potato and they're just taking small slices of it.
This is the other thing, right? Like there was a documentary I was watching, and it was like the recipe for the McDonald's fries. The reason why they can't call it potato
Because it's not potato.
is because apparently it's a
Cardboard.
blend of a lot of pumpkin and potato, like some
Shut
potato.
up.
No, and
Yeah.
it's also like genetically enhanced, not genetically,
Possibly.
but like they put some like shit in it to make
Steroids.
them bigger, steroids, whatever. वो सब चल रहा है.
It's
No,
just
but
the
like
Arnold Schwarzenegger potato.
McDonald's fries go to the gym.
Yeah.
अरे सर आप
Hey
आ गए.
guys,
हाँ.
मैं एक potato मैं एक potato.
भाई potato है. But the McDonald's fries are
कोई
the
तो बनाएगा
pie of
meme.
the fry board. Just-
Yeah.
No, the potato of the McDonald's fries are
Is
the
the
buy
buy.
of the potato world.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like yeah.
But you know, like these guys, मैं अपना जो cost का बात कर रहा था, if you notice, कभी भी अंदर जाएगा, right? You have massive pictures. Again, the way they market and the
Oh,
way
yeah.
the
Does
advertising
not
and stuff
look
is so
this-
crazy. You don't even realize this is happening to you, right?
Yeah.
So, or the first thing that catches your eye is that big ass fucking burger, right? तेरे को दिख रहा है नहीं, तेरे को वो येलो चेडर दिख रहा है, तेरे को वो बन दिख रहा है, और आगे तेरे को आजू बाजू कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, प्राइस बीस कुछ नहीं, because if you notice the price
Price
इतना
बीस.
छोटा है,
Yeah.
बर्गर इतना बड़ा है, और उसके बाजू में इधर 300 रुपया लिखा है जो तेरे को दिख रहा ही नहीं है.
And you don't even know if it's the price or just an insect that got squashed
Yeah.
onto the fucking pane.
So you don't care, you just call for it, and because they make their most money, you know, on what? On Coke, like Pepsi,
They
Coke.
make their most money on upgrades.
What
What do you? Acha, okay, like when she
on-
sells you the Happy
Both the
Meal.
yeah, so even in that, their margins are highest on soft drinks because they are very cheap to source. And then when you're selling, you think you're buying the medium Coke, but it's actually the large Coke.
Oh
In your
no,
they-
it's the opposite way, right?
No. So in their head, they need you to spend $4 or whatever Indian equivalent, 200 rupiah. Okay, for example, they want you to spend 200. So what they'll do is they'll say large is for 250, which they know you'll never go for. The small one is for say 190 or whatever. Medium one is 200.
Hmm.
अपने आप तो बोलेगा fuck, I'm getting a great deal. मेरे को medium जी.
It's called ARPIC, average revenue
Yeah,
per
ना अपना.
customer.
Ah, very
अरे,
nice.
I saw another video on this. They're like
So, you know
the
what is the
machine है ये
value?
Coke machine जो फाउंटेन पेप्सी जहाँ से आता है उधर, they are a cesspool for kachra patti because they are notoriously difficult to clean.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, but
So
and
you
it's
don't
not
know
just
what the fuck is growing.
it's
But
not
also
just the
it's-
dirt. It's just the Pepsi itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Pepsi. But here's the fun fact, right? Like in the US or whatever, whether it's Five Guys, McDonald's, etc., they just give you a cup. And
Yeah,
you can do
bottomless.
unlimited refills, dude.
Refills,
yeah.
मेरा तो क्या और मतलब मेरा एक दोस्त है, हम लोग एटलांटा से स्पार्टनबर्ग ड्राइव पे गया था, ठीक है, उसका माँ का घर है स्पार्टनबर्ग में, तो हम लोग एटलांटा से गया, तो ब्रो ये आदमी ने ना एक मैकडोनल्ड्स का दुकान पे रुका, उसने बड़ा कोक मंगाया, ठीक है, और फिर हर रेस्ट स्टॉप पे जिधर भी मैकडोनल्ड्स जाके रिफिल किया है ब्रो उसने,
ये क्या है?
Boy, dude, he must have
because you have a
just,
McDonald's cup, so you can go and refill in any McDonald's.
dude, he has pre-diabetes. Like, because what the fuck?
So, arey bro, kill. So, anyway, sorry. You know what the like? Just a small like off-put fact. So apparently, in 2018, the total estimated value for the fast food industry was
25 billion.
$570 billion.
आराम से.
570 billion, and this is I'm saying accounted for. Like तू ऐसा जो
White में.
सिग्नल वाइट
White.
में मैं बोल रहा हूँ तू तू पानीपुरी के उधर जाके कार्ड ट्रांजैक्शन तो नहीं कर रहा ना,
हाँ.
और तू ऐसा इधर वो जो on the in the traffic signal when you are buying the 10 rupees sing chana, which also by the way
But that's not fast food.
I know it's not. But
That's
I think
fast
it's,
chana.
I think it is. I think it's such a great business idea to do.
Oh, it's superb.
And only in Bombay could you pull it off.
And the thing is, it's such a great indicator of how much time is going to be added to your journey. Because the minute that man appears like beside your car, you're like, fuck, आधा घंटा तो minimum. Minimum. Because he's there, he's standing, he knows business is happening now, and you're like,
Yeah.
and you can ask him कि कितना दूर तक है. He's like 4 kilometer. ठीक है, fuck, दे दे.
You know which is the most franchise chain in the world?
McDonald's? No, it's not.
No, it won't be McDonald's.
Wait.
Is
Give us
it Domino's?
No.
give us
KFC?
a,
No.
wait, give us a guess.
KFC was the first to start franchises. Even before McDonald's did,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first
Bangalore
to
में
start
था ना. First was in
franchises
Bangalore
was
long ago.
KFC. No, I'm saying even generally in the US. India में तो बहुत बाद में आया. After the US market saturated, then they like चल अपन बाहर जाएंगे तो
You're
India,
saying the
China.
biggest chain, right? The biggest chain.
Yeah. Which food chain, which fast food chain का you'll see most franchises globally?
Globally. Give a clue.
हो गया अभी सब तो खोल लिया है.
क्या
The
Taco Bell?
answer is Subway.
Subway. सब जगह.
Because Subway का कैसा है? Subway came into prominence after a good 30-40 years of McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, Wimpy's, Popeye, जो भी बोल, which went global because the health risks started coming out more. Right? People started paying attention.
Subway is
अरे,
not the solution, just
नहीं,
so you
तो-
guys know.
obesity,
What?
ये वो
Really?
वो, yeah. So ये सब पूरा चल रहा है. So in that, Subway's decided to capitalize by coming in, and they promoted their whole like, oh ये अपना clean, healthy है, blah blah blah. They had this one guy who was their spokesperson in a way, right?
Yeah,
Who went to
pant
jail
guy.
later for something.
Yeah.
So
The
this
guy
guy-
would hold that pant.
Fine, like this guy, like he used to be that fat, and with a Subway diet, he's managed to cut down the weight. So they used him as their spokesperson for a good 10 years before he was arrested for some shit. Now he's in jail. But so Subway, the reason you have so many of these all across the world is because
Health.
to franchise, no, not just health, to franchise a McDonald's, you have to pay $2.2 million.
Oh.
Right? तेरे को भी चालू करना है जो JVLR पे तो तेरे को 2.2 million देना पड़ेगा
No,
franchise.
not in India. In India, they'll be
अरे I'm
different.
giving you an example.
हाँ, sure. It's more expensive. हाँ.
You know, Subway का कितना था? $200,000. So anybody and their mothers देख हाँ चल मैं खोल लेता एक Subway. वैसे भी people think it's healthier. तो इधर तो लोग आएंगे ही तो और सस्ता भी है तो खोल दिया. You get the training, you get the equipment and all of that, and you start. So they started doing it. But you know what the biggest fuck up was? In their clause for franchises, there was no, you know, you have certain protected area. Like McDonald's का अगर तूने लिया, under that they will not give another person a franchisee like right next door.
Got it.
because you'll eat into each other's business. So तो
Right.
McDonald's एक है तो एक लोखंड वाला है, पार्ला है, बैंड्रा है,
Right. It's
फिर
equally distributed properly
हाँ,
across.
टाउन
the-
है, एक
yeah.
तेरा BKC में होगा, एक अंधेरी ईस्ट, shit like that, right? You will not see लिंकिंग रोड पे
मैं
4
अंधेरी वेस्ट स्टेशन पे 3 मैकडोनल्ड्स है.
3
But
McDonald's
उधर
है.
डिमांड भी उतना ही है. वाह.
3 मैकडोनल्ड्स नहीं है ब्रो, वो एक ही बड़ा है, 3 मैकडोनल्ड्स नहीं
नहीं,
होता.
एक स्टेशन के बाहर है. एक dude on that same road there are 3 McDonald's.
I know what you mean.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
he's
Not
right.
three
I think he's
McDonald's.
right.
Yeah, dude, I'm
अबे
telling you.
जंबो किंग है उधर.
Bhav is like,
Anyway, so ये सबवे का क्या हुआ bro? So everybody they started buying franchises right next to each other. तो देखो प्रॉफिट कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Can I tell you
Khatam.
something? Can I tell you something? This has now started happening. The same problem is happening now with Lenskart. And the crazy thing is Lenskart isn't even like a burger or a thing, right? It's like a quick purchase, right? Lenskart is a fucking chashma. Why would there's on Linking Road, there is one Lenskart here, and then you walk a little ahead, and then across the road there's another Lenskart. So who the fuck is going, dude, I've just bought Lenskart. Oh wait, I need to buy more Lenskart.
Yes, sir. And to aid your purchase, here's a bottomless glass. You can have as much Coke as you want.
Hey, but also coming to that Subway thing, right? I remember the first time I went to Subway and got mesmerized by the number of sauces they had.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the biggest, like, the most amazing thing that
Everybody
I've
pretends
seen.
like they know all the sauces.
Yeah.
You know, like मेरे को
Can I get
Southwest
that?
देना.
No, and they're mispronouncing it. Chipotla. Can I get the Chipotla? So,
I have only 3 sauces that I do
what do you do?
at thing, but it depends mostly on it. But also I'm very stingy. I only do the lettuce and I only do the. This is only at the Delhi T1 terminal because that's the only place that you can eat Subway. You have to eat Subway because of the other options. But I do sweet onion. I do mustard and I do chili. That's it.
But I associate a lot of people who are inside somewhere. They're like all sauces,
हाँ, all
sauces.
toasted, all veggies.
All veggies.
Oh my, no, so
मेरे को तो 120 रुपए का मिल रहा है तो मैं सब डाल रहा हूँ इसके अंदर.
Correct.
Dude,
Correct.
And it's
मेरा-
just a big mess covered
And
in
that
paper.
started that thing of sub of the day for 50 rupees, no?
Oh bro,
Oh my
सबसे
God,
गलत.
dude.
मैंने
तभी
बेवजह
मैं-
सबवे खाया है वो कूपन
Dude.
लेके न्यूज़पेपर
Bro.
में मिलता था.
It wasn't even coupon. I'm saying
No,
that
they-
sub of
they
the
had
day,
it
and I
as
think
the
it
thing.
still exists, right?
Yeah, they still have
So
it.
yeah, so when I was at the Goregaon campus of Ogilvy, वो ओबरॉय मॉल के बाजू में था, ठीक है? तो लंच टाइम पे अगर ओबरॉय मॉल का फूड मॉल में गया ना तू, फूड क्या वो उधर गया ना,
आवाज,
तो
correct.
ब्रो
Accumulate your words.
sorry, I know. I was going for food hall,
Like,
food
you know,
mall,
you've
mall
done
of
like a
food.
tenant. You've been like food hall में गया, फिर तो food hall में गया, फिर food hall में गया तू, हाँ तो हाँ,
So
फिर आगे बढ़.
dude, that subway line, and they would run out of the subway of the day simply
course.
because that many people have come
Bro,
in.
we all
Listen.
अपन जिंदा है
And
अच्छे
all
deals
veggies.
के लिए.
Bro,
हाँ,
I don't know
and
about
all
you
veggies,
guys.
all sauces, all veggies,
But
all
listen,
sauces.
I don't know about you guys, but every time I go there, the sub of the day is the exact sub I don't want. I don't know how. Every day I land up
That's
there.
why they
it's-
have some of the day. क्यों ये बाकी सब तो खाना. ये जो एक दो
Sir,
तीन होते थे ना वो जो कोई
it's-
नहीं खाता था.
Yeah, paneer balls today. अरे
Yeah.
नहीं चाहिए paneer balls भाई.
लेकिन मैं पूरा अपना यूनिवर्सिटी लाइफ आई थिंक फॉर अ गुड 6 to 8 months my lunch used to be a foot long with
What, a
chips.
foot long?
Yeah.
A
with-
foot long.
Yeah.
But
क्योंकि
a
हम
foot
लोग को
long you can eat.
foot long bro.
What am I thinking? Foot long is the
As a-
double,
as
is the
a-
12 inch, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've
इतना
never had
बड़ा
the foot long.
What rubbish.
वो एक
I've had the
उसके
6
साथ
inch.
उसके साथ एक जूस मिलता था उधर ऑरेंज जूस और चिप्स. ये यूके
Bag of crisps.
crisps, Walker's crisps, which is basically Lay's but better. ये मेरा लंच था ब्रो for a good 6 to 8
Same
months.
subway or
I'll tell
different
you-
one?
different. मैं
Can I-
अलग अलग रोज अलग.
मेरा
क्योंकि
क्या
वही
हुआ
अफोर्ड
था
कर सकते थे
कि
ब्रो एज स्टूडेंट्स.
when I went to Subway and I saw those sauces, right, and I had it, like all of those different, and these were sauces I don't remember. It was 2000.
Southwest Ranch.
Yeah, all of these
Thousand
weird
Island.
weird sauces, right? And you have them, you've never had something like it. And then you come back home and then you start realizing that the fucking problem with the sandwiches you have at home is because it's that same Kisan red ketchup. That's all you have, right?
But
There's
why
no
are you
variety. And because I
Putting
don't know,
ketchup in
man,
sandwiches.
because that's how my mom made sandwiches. It was like a white slice of bread, ketchup on top of it, which soaked through the bread eventually, and it made like a red stain at the bottom. Okay, and then there was cucumber, the tomato, and then the other slice of bread. That's the sandwich I used to have. So you can imagine the difference between Subway and that. It was like I'd seen the god of sandwiches, and I had to go back to this
Dude,
mortal
what
sandwich.
are you saying? The god of sandwiches is the Bombay sandwich,
Nahi,
which is
nahi,
made
Baba.
in that
Aloo toast.
which is made in
Aloo
that
toast, bro.
toasty posty. By the way,
Nahi.
It
The
is
thing
the-
that they clamp
But
shut.
that's,
it's
and the thing is, तू
my
हर एक-
mom
हर एक जगह
used
पे
to call
देखेगा
it
ना.
a toasty posty.
No, but like if you see, Jay sandwich था तेरा Bandra में. Every like few kilometers you have that one perfect aloo toast sandwich, Bombay toast बनाने वाला, and you know the way they'll differ. किसका चटनी थोड़ा अलग होगा, थोड़े लोग सेव डाल देते हो.
Yeah.
Wow.
Butter
It
and
was-
save.
so
Butter
it
to
was-
keep the
so
save
it
in
was-
place.
में
Oh,
थोड़ा
yes.
चाट मसाला. Wow.
Yes.
bro.
And
That
there were various things, right? There was like, and dude, the weirdest affliction to this malaise used to be the fact that at the end of that sandwich, because that sandwich was not bad enough or good enough, you would say एक आलू देना मेरे को, आलू
आलू
स्लाइस चाट
slice,
मसाला
that's-
डाल के.
अरे that's your version of
The
सूखा
सूखा
पूरी.
I know.
Dude, but one second, what do you mean bad enough? That was a great sandwich.
I
And the
agree,
aloo
I
slice
agree.
is also fantastic.
I would never leave the aloo slice. Aloo slice.
even
with
I have
chaat
never left
masala.
it.
It's a palate
Dude,
cleanser.
as recent as pre-lockdown, very recently, I ate a Bombay sandwich outside Mehboob, that sandwich wala that's there outside Mehboob. I've eaten the sandwich and then I asked him for it, and I told him, "Zyada beet, zyada kanda." Dude, in my Bombay sandwich, please.
Dude, there is
Order
this
stays
one.
the same.
There is that green chutney they have, and then there is this other red chutney. That's my jam. That red chutney. It's the tikhi wali chutney, and you have to ask him for it specifically because he doesn't
And then
put it for
then
everybody.
he takes it out.
No, and he takes that big
अरे
big
चाचा
butter
वहां क्यों
knife.
रखे तुमने?
Dude, वो बटर नाइफ निकालता है और उसमें डुबोता है और फिर तेरे उस पे स्लैदर करता है. Oh, it's the fucking best. It's the fucking best.
Kautuk, did you just come?
Little bit.
Yeah. It's also Kautuk's ability to use the word slather for red chutney.
Hey, because he puts it, he like, you know
I
how
understood.
you put shaving foam on a person's face, he puts it on the sandwich. Oh Lord. And then okay, there was a guy outside Ruya College, very famous sandwich wala.
DP's?
No, not DP. DP's was famous for masala pav and root beer and all of that stuff. This guy
Root beer.
used to stand, yeah, he used to stand outside Podar College, and he would he made a thing called samosa sandwich and chocolate samosa sandwich. Both.
And that's it from
My-
this episode of 10 minutes. So I'm gonna
Hey, now
throw
we're
up.
getting started, guys. Now we're getting started. Fuck.
I just realized it's the wrong topic
You know
to
how
do
we
with Kautuk.
yeah,
Because
and
like,
you know how
we're
we
talking about
started this?
facts, stats, trivia.
Stacks.
Kautuk like,
Let me tell you about the
chocolate.
stacks of samosa.
Can I tell you how we started, guys? By the way, just FYI, audience watching this, the way we started this was saying हम लोग पहला बाहर गाँव का फास्ट फूड का बात करेगा. हम लोग ने 3.5 मिनट टट्टी के बारे में बात किया, फिर मैकडोनल्ड्स और फिर कट टू समोसा विद चॉकलेट.
पर भाई वो क्या बनाता है वो dude it is you listen
I can hear it in Kautuk's voice. अरे क्या बनाता है? क्या ये चॉकलेट समोसा में डाल के उसको ब्रेड में सैंडविच बना के क्यों
अरे,
खाएगा?
पर सुन ना देख I was also skeptic okay much like you
Now you're a convert? No.
मैं भी एक टाइम पे नास्तिक था पर फिर मैंने वो चॉकलेट समोसा सैंडविच खाया है एंड बडीज वो क्या चीज है मस्त इट वाज
एक तो इस ब्लास्फेमस कि तू समोसे की तौहीन किया है उसमें चॉकलेट डाल के पहली बार. ठीक है, बिकॉज़ समोसा शुड नॉट बी टच्ड. गुरु कृपा का समोसा कभी खाया?
या
A1 समोसा.
yaps hey fuck bawa can I listen Guru Kripa se yaad aaya so there is one in Bandra also right in they've made a subsidiary from not just Sion now it's come to Bandra as well
सायन है, बैंडर अंधेरी में भी है ब्रो.
so I'll tell you so in the middle of these two waves that we used to have shows right so Siddhi and I Bawa was also there so it was Bawa me and Azim on a lineup and after our show Siddhi has also come so we've told Bawa that dude we're going out to eat dinner can you suggest some places so Bawa was like yeah क्या खाने का तेरे को? So I said sushi. So he's like, हाँ, just go down to Blues and have sushi.
No,
said,
I
cool.
said Izumi first.
Izumi, and then we said we don't know what that is, and then he said Blues, just go to Blues. So we have started walking towards Blues. We turned the corner and we saw Guru Kripa. And then Siddhi looks at me, I look at Siddhi, and we're like, ho jaye. And we have ditched Blues sushi, gone to Guru Kripa, and ordered plate pe plate. Pani
You can't
puri,
eat
sev
one too.
puri. Oh fuck,
So
everything.
I call Kautuk saying, अच्छा मैं आ रहा हूँ, किधर है तुम लोग? गुरु कृपा.
And dude, and you know you reach a point with that cashier where it starts being funny for him also, because you know you're ordering one by one, right? So it's like, ठीक है पानी पूरी देना. Then he's like, ठीक है. Then सेव पूरी देना. ठीक है. Then you come back, पूरी भाजी देना. Then he's like, ठीक है. And we
सर चॉकलेट समोसा है और फिर वो देखो झापड़ मारता है उसके बाद.
dude, we had
Dude, one sec, the samosa has chocolate inside it? Or
No,
the
no,
samosa
no,
is a regular samosa,
He
there's
makes
chocolate
the-
on the bread.
no, he makes the samosa sandwich, which you can fathom, right? That you can fathom. वो crush करके वो डाल देता है. Chocolate samosa, he puts the chocolate on top. Nutella.
Okay, let's move away from chocolate samosa
Oh
because
my
वो fast
God.
food भी नहीं हुआ.
Second, dude. I
But
really need
you know
to throw up.
which fast food has gone to space?
You know what he said? He said he puts the chocolate on top. Nutella. So it's not even chocolate, it's Nutella. On a samosa which has
Sandwich.
peas and aloo and fried with bread.
But it's the best fucking thing. What do I tell you? Wait, let me tell you about cheese chocolate dosa later. But first, which went to space?
Yeah, which fast food went to space?
Let me guess. Hot dog. No,
Fast food
No,
chain.
Pizza Hut, Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
pizza. Oh yeah, it went to the space station.
Yeah, I think it cost them roughly $1 million or so to send that one box. Or
And it got returned because it didn't come in 30 minutes.
नहीं वो Domino's
पापा जा.
लेट हुआ. हाँ सर मैं एक्चुअली सैटर्न हैवी रॉकेट में आया हूँ ऊपर तो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है.
सर बीच में टायर पंचर हो गया और लाइसेंस मांगा मेरा उसने. अच्छा, नो वन सेक, डिड यू नो दैट टैंग आल्सो वाज इन्वेंटेड फॉर स्पेस
Yeah.
ट्रैवल?
Half the shit bro, it's because अपने वो स्पेस में करना था and they've managed to now find earth applications for it.
Yeah. Much like how Viagra was invented.
Or fucking in space.
No,
You know
but
that time when you take off your space suit and go outside and hump during the spacewalk.
I want to ask you guys about this very specific thing that our generation started in India, which was the McDonald's birthday.
Yeah.
The McDonald's birthday, the most coveted
I've
thing.
never had one or
Never
been
had
to
one?
You
one
never had birthdays?
or never been to one.
Did you have
क्या
a birthday?
कि तेरे
Baba?
दोस्त थे क्या?
No, I'm saying
How were
McDonald's.
you in India late 90s old
McDonald's-
enough to have birthdays and not been or had your own birthday at McDonald's? Blasphemous.
Listen.
Because McDonald's started in India in 97. I think the birthdays thing started in about 2001, 2002.
No, 99 में क्या होगा मैं शायद किसी
Pretty
की
much
birthday
before they launched the chain, they launched
Yeah.
the birthdays. I have a
So even if it was 99, by then what? A 19-year-old, what birthday you'll hold at McDonald's?
true.
I mean,
Actually,
as a group,
not
I'm
the
putting
thing
myself,
that
man.
not the thing
as a
that we
group of
had.
friends, you went to McDonald's is cool.
Yeah,
That
but
also
you
happened.
missed it.
Yeah.
That also happened.
I'll
As a
tell you-
group of friends who went to McDonald's, then you went for birthdays also.
No,
अंदर
but-
का एक area होता था, that
हाँ,
was-
I know,
हाँ.
I know. हाँ.
No, but Thakur, there was this one thing where, okay, you went for the birthday, which was nice. But I don't think you had the same intensity of emotion as when you were sitting outside looking into a happening birthday. Like, you've
I've
just come.
seen those.
Yeah, exactly. You know what I mean? Like, especially if you're a child, right? You just feel so left out कि यार उन लोग birthday कर रहे हैं अंदर और मैं बस इधर.
No, that's the
Burger
reason
खा
most of it happened because all the other kids would see some kids
Yeah.
having fun inside. That image is locked in their head.
Oh man.
Everybody's getting a happy meal and a fucking toy. End of
Ah.
story. There's no way out. Or India may, even though McDonald's is technically it's fast food, it's supposed to be cheap food, this, that. We in our head, it was almost like fine dining. You know what I mean? That weekend day, now we will make a proper dinner plan and go and eat a fucking burger.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it would
Yeah,
be a
but that's
proper
also
family scene.
but that's the whole
Still
scene
is.
with But that's the whole problem with how India eats, right? Like throughout our advertising, like throughout my advertising career, whenever we've had like food brands and stuff like that, it's been really difficult to break the mold. For example, cornflakes, right? I mean, any brand of cornflakes trying to break the breakfast, break into the breakfast category, it's impossible because how will you compete with dosas, idlis, parathas,
Upma.
upma, poha, and the 500 other forms of actual Indian breakfast which moms, dads, brothers, sisters,
Nailing it.
bhaiya, bhabis believe is the healthiest thing for you.
Paratha.
Subah paratha kha ke nikal, like have a thing. So how are you going to go from that to here is khar, sugar and cold milk, and a lot of people have cornflakes with warm milk. I mean, as
Yeah,
well,
I
right?
used to have chocos with warm milk, and it used to be a bad, terrible because the choco flakes used to become like
You've done everything wrong, no, Kautuk, in your life.
most things. Why do you think my food palette is the way it is? It's not an accident. Like the choco, it's supposed to be crunchy choco flake, right? But it became like this soggy.
But that's
raft.
also because you probably took too long to eat it. Like the point of it
Yeah,
is you
because
put
I was
the
waiting for the hot milk to cool down. So then
That's
it
the
was a
point.
vicious cycle.
Maybe not have hot to begin with and just have cold.
I never
I didn't
had
have
cornflakes
control
with
as a
hot
child
milk.
over anything.
He doesn't have one sec. The only way he will have cold milk with anything is because he doesn't know how to heat milk.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Oh shit.
Apparently, studies say that fast food is like people who eat more fast food are more likely to be depressed.
Oh.
Yeah, it straight up affects the mood.
Yeah, and there was
Like
that
they did a
documentary also,
proper-
right?
It,
Super Size Me and
Super Size
things
Me.
like that.
And that guy came back with another follow-up documentary. One was
Yeah.
Super Size Me. No, was it Super Size Me? Yeah, I think so. Where he only ate McDonald's for a whole
Yeah,
year.
yeah, Super
and then-
Size Me, Super Size Me.
na? And he checked all his vitals, blah blah blah, and then showed you what happens.
Yep.
So literally, तेरा sugar spike हो गया है, blood
Dude,
pressure में
उसी
problem है.
डॉक्यूमेंट्री में उसने ना एक बर्गर और फ्राइज को एक एयरटाइट कंटेनर में डाल के रखा है, ठीक है? 5 दिन तक
वैसे ही था.
फ्राइज को कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
wow.
वो बोल रहा है ये कैसा खाना है कि 5 दिन तक ऐसा ही रहा है.
Bro, और तेरे को मालूम है वो nuggets है ना, अगर तू nuggets को बहुत टाइम के लिए बाहर रख दिया वो मेल्ट हो जाते हैं.
Melt होते?
Melt because
Oh.
it's made with whatever chicken there is in it. Along with that, it's largely water and some other compounds. So उसको तू खाया वाया नहीं और ऐसे रख दे, apparently starts melting. It also has what is that? Silly putty है ना? Silly putty का एक ingredient है. Yeah, to hold it together.
Are you saying
So
that I'm
it's not.
literally
It's not.
having
It actually has
clay.
it. It's, you know, yeah.
Elasticine.
No, it's called sodium something, some shit. I don't know. I'll just check. I read it earlier. So it has that, but it's in the quantity that it's not harmful. But
Yeah, yeah.
just the
But
thought
तू
कि
सिर्फ निगेट चिकन नगेट्स खा रहा है पूरा टाइम, तो इट्स नॉट इन अ स्मॉल.
नहीं, just the thought कि इसके अंदर सिली पट्टी का ingredient है, just makes it feel like
किसी ने ये भी बोला था मेरे को कि in the that which is my favorite thing, the strawberry milkshake,
Yeah.
it's literally made out of plastic or some shit, like
yeah.
it's some
There
it's
is
some
definitely
alloy.
no strawberry in it.
No, it's not an. I know what you're trying to say. That there is a synthetic.
Some component is there which is not like a strawberry or a milkshake.
You know, I
or-
feel what it tastes like. What if I liquefied thermocol?
yeah, I get what you mean.
You know, it's that. And
Well-
obviously, when you're younger, I was dubbing it non-stop.
Oh, yeah,
Burger, fries,
I still call
shake,
for
this, that. Dude, cannot anymore.
No,
Cannot.
You know
Can
something they've added
did
to
you know-
McDonald's, which is pretty damn good, is they've added the coffee section, and we had recently gone there and we called for a flat white, and it's one of the best coffees I've had. So
But why would you have a flat white there?
because I wanted to try it, and it was great.
Sure.
It was great.
Yeah. Flat white.
You know, they started putting kiosks and all, right? And
Yeah.
Drive-throughs.
you drive-through, that was revolutionary, where you had drive-throughs where don't even get out of your car, convenience आके तेरे को हाथ में मिल रहा है. Then that became automated. So In-N-Out Burgers, US में जो chain है, they were one of the first few ones because driving became such a big part of American culture that उन लोग हर जगह गाड़ी में और लेजी तो उन लोग है ही, तो क्विक सर्विस गाड़ी से बिना निकले became the thing.
That's, by the way, that is one of the reasons why you prefer, one of the other reasons why you prefer this sort of like burger fast food is because it's damn easy to eat within like your car and stuff.
And
Like
more importantly, tastes same no matter where you're eating.
हाँ, like
That
अपना
uniformity.
तो डोसा वोसा खाएगा गाड़ी में तो काफी स्ट्रेस है, like because of the number of sambars and the chutney and the all of that stuff, right? Like it's a whole thing you have to do. They're trying to do it now because of the pandemic. They're trying to make it more drive through
नहीं,
friendly.
but मैं तो खाया डोसा वोसा बैठ के
गाड़ी में?
तंदूरी, हाँ कितना जय जवान के हाथ तो हम लोग चिकन विकन पूरा चटनी ये सब के साथ
Oh,
बैठ के
must.
So,
खा रहे
by
हैं।
the way,
Fast.
guys, do you know the origin of fast food?
Wait, let
Like
me guess.
what?
It was for workers, I'm assuming.
Obvious.
Yeah, it's supposed to be cheap. It
Obvio.
was 25-cent meals.
No, as in like
essentially.
to make it more efficient for them to finish food on time and then go back to the thing. Is that what it was?
No.
Or
no.
or it's for
Tell me the country
Packaging.
and tell me the year approximately and the country.
oh man,
Like how new, old, middle age
Is fast food.
England
Yeah.
1853. Chal.
I feel it's America early 1900s.
Paris.
20th century. Basically.
Paris 1760.
You're not
French
going to
fries.
believe Kautuk is 7 years off.
Oh wow, imagine.
It
I-
is
I-
written
Yeah.
in the 1860s.
Wow.
Because
What
of the
was it?
industrial revolution, baby.
Wimpy.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
So just fish and chips was supposed to be the first like fast food shop thing. So the first thing, but drive through sort of happened only in the 50s, right? In the 1950s. Because
50s, 60s
But
was
all
all
America.
yeah,
More America, yeah.
when Ford invented the car and people bought it.
No,
in
and the thing
enough
is,
numbers.
fast
Crispies
food
come.
becoming popular has largely been a big American cultural export,
Yeah.
right? Like they have close to 250,000 fast food joints. फिर इतना सैचुरेट हो गया, उन लोग बाहर चले गए. You see any country that they've launched in, it's been crazy. जब ये Soviet Union collapse हुआ, रशिया में आया, people went
Yeah.
nuts.
Nuts.
China, people went nuts. India, Japan, you name it. And in fact, they did a case study on McDonald's in India and how suddenly a place that sells beef burgers. What is the hamburger? What is the Big Mac? It's straight up beef. अभी तो इंडिया में आ रहा है where the animal is revered. Yeah.
Yeah.
And suddenly you have to now make your thing. So you look at all this aloo burger. उन लोग का एक
India
इसमें
is the only
छोले-
country where where a lot of fast food chains have come to India first, and India has been the first country where they've actually changed their menu.
They put
or
something
adapted
veg.
their menu.
they
No,
put
veggie
something,
burger तो है,
but इतना नहीं है bro.
आलू वालू नहीं,
इतने
आलू पनीर
इतने
ये-
option ये सब
just
veg
the
नहीं था.
adaptability.
Yeah.
Like I'm saying, just the adaptability of it. Like chicken McGrill. Remember when it
Can I
had
tell you something? There is a term in sociology called the McDonaldization of society. Okay. This was developed by a sociologist called George Ritzer in his 1993 book called The McDonaldization of Society. Now, what he basically says is it's when the principles of the fast food restaurant are coming to dominate more and more sectors of the recent idea of the worldwide culture. Okay, so basically what he says is the four primary components of McDonaldization are efficiency, calculability, predictability, and control. Okay, so when society starts adopting these four things as part of their main core aspects of what is valuable or not, you're kind of becoming more and more homogeneous, and which is what McDonaldization is, that no matter where you go in the world, it's a similar experience.
It's almost the same.
Yeah,
At
it's
least
almost
with
the
your food, before you go into the outlet, you know what you want, what it's going to taste like.
Yeah.
You already know it. That uniformity automatically builds more and more visits regardless of where you are. तो suddenly कल Sweden चले जाएगा,
No,
तो
it's
कभी
also
खाया नहीं
not
उधर कुछ
just that.
McDonald's देखा, you'll just automatically you know, okay, I know this is
It's-
going to taste a certain way.
It's not just that. It's also got to do. So it's 100% that, but it's also not just that. Which is that a lot of foreigners, when they go to countries that are not necessarily first world countries, right? They look for safety. So it's not just familiarity. They're like, मैं McDonald's में खाएगा safe रहेगा. So when they go to Asian countries or when they go to thing countries, they're going to a McDonald's with the hope of that it will follow the same standards of McDonald's globally,
Yeah.
right? So
And
there is
But then he
that
realizes nobody has cleaned the soda machine, and now there's like 18 different types of viruses inside.
no, but it's also like this, right? Like, I feel like one thing that fascinates me is when you go to a new McDonald's in some different part of the world, and you're like, इधर क्या है जो मेरे McDonald's में नहीं है, right? You want to find their unique thing. Like, there was this one person who had come for a show I was doing, a Zoom show, and she was like, I live in Hong Kong, and here they have this thing where they put pineapple in the burger over the patty, and they have a burger where the bottom part of the burger is made of a rice thing, like it's a rice burger. So that was freaky. And she's like, the craziest part is in Hong Kong they also do weddings. तो
McDonald's.
yes, McDonald's के अंदर पब्लिक शादी कर रहा है.
अच्छा, ओ मेरे को लगा मैकडॉनल्ड्स केटर कर रहा है शादी पे. मैं बोला, एक
That
मिनट,
would be a more logical thing, but imagine doing your wedding inside a goddamn McDonald's. तू उधर शादी कर रहा है और बाजू में बच्चे लोग का बर्थडे पार्टी चल रहा है. Like that's the whole gamut of people are eating their fish
और
fillet while
और
watching
बाहर
you get
और
married.
बाहर 4 लोग पेरी पेरी
like the fact that the amount of paneer options we have in India, almost nowhere
Yeah.
else in the world do you
Like,
have.
Bro, think
so
about
many-
this. You know, Ronald McDonald is the second most recognizable face globally.
Yeah, it's
You know
also,
who's first? Santa Claus.
wow.
In terms of a brand, so to speak. Like, I
Dude,
mean, not that
Ronald
Santa's a
McDonald,
brand, but
Ronald McDonald is
is a-
also every uncle who has put mehndi in their hair.
No, so
Red.
I mean, so apart from this like regular fast food chains and stuff like that, like even if you look at like some of the street food, like in Southeast Asia, a lot of like Bangkok street food is outstanding, right? Like the fast food is really outstanding. And if you just look at like even Singapore does some of it, which is really great. Malaysia has a lot of thing, and I think the main ingredient to be a fast food place or a fast food chain is not the time you take to deliver the food, but it's the amount of stuff that you have pre-made to deliver the food.
Barobar.
Right, like it's just like they have your noodle half ready, so you just need to dip it into hot water with a with a noodle
No, and
strainer
Baba, just like for example, you just take the idea of pani puri, right? When the guy sets up the stall, right? Like the amount of prep that goes into the whole thing, that ragda that is being heated, the amount of onion the guy goes through on a daily basis,
Dhania.
dhania, the
aloo.
no, ये तो तू at least एक ठेले की बात कर रहा है ना. You know those guys who literally have this much
Who
space.
come on a
like,
tripod.
yeah, that thing. And एक circular ये होता है और नीचे ऐसे cross
Bro,
board
और
डंडी
उसके
है.
पास सब
Yeah,
है,
yeah,
उसके
yeah.
पास पानी पूरी है, सेव पूरी है, दही पूरी है,
सब है, सब है,
सिर्फ
सब है.
रगड़ा
सब
नहीं
है,
है
bro.
सिर्फ
रगड़ा
रगड़ा
नहीं
नहीं है क्योंकि उसके लिए तेरे को
Buns and
तवा
donuts चाहिए.
तवा चाहिए, ये सब चाहिए. But otherwise, in that little thing, that guy is a walking restaurant.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
Dude,
a fucking
unreal.
fast food restaurant.
Listen, okay, there
So
is one
in
Huh.
Southeast Asia, they also do a lot of like, and I'm not talking about just the freakiness of it, the
Baluk.
grasshoppers and the things
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
Dude,
that are deep
scorpions
fried
on
and stuff.
sticks.
Yeah.
ऐसे मेरे को आके दे रहे हैं. मतलब भाई नहीं.
तूने खाया?
What about? मैं स्कॉर्पियन नहीं खाना चाहता बाबा. I don't think scorpion is
मैं maggots
appetizing.
है, maggots.
और snake for that matter. मैं वियतनाम में था तो मेरे को ऐसे छोटा crocodile दिखा रहे कि खाएगा क्या.
I don't want to see it. I've eaten the crocodile,
रिवर्स
but I
खून
don't want to
मरी
see
मांग
it.
हो रहा है. इसने रेखा को खाया तो इसको खा.
No, but I had maggots on the advice of a person in Thailand, and her
Whose
advice.
dead body did you pick them up from?
No, they were you know how they sell you like sheng dana and all these things like that way. This guy had like
Yeah.
No, I've eaten
of-
insects.
हाँ,
I've eaten
exactly.
insects. I've eaten grasshoppers.
हाँ, तो ये
Yeah.
बंदा ये बोलती है कि it's just like Lay's. It's very salty,
Ew.
very crunchy, and no one can eat just one. इतना मैगेट्स खाया मैंने, पाव किलो मैगेट्स।
But मजा आया तेरे
सबसे ज्यादा प्रोटीन है लेकिन उसमें।
नहीं नहीं मजा आया मेरे को बाप, मेरे को बहुत अनईजी हुआ वो खाते खाते थोड़ा, because they didn't have Nutella on top of it.
इंडिया की फास्ट फूड चेन्स कौन से मालूम है देखो? I think the biggest one
Jumbo
and
King.
the longest running one has been Nirola.
Haldiram. Oh, what?
Nirolas. दिल्ली में जो है ना, they
What about
have some-
Haldiram? Haldiram is a very big one, isn't it?
हल्दीराम फास्ट फूड कब से हो गया? वो तो
Guys,
confectionaries हो गया ना।
Huh?
Swati snacks.
Swati snacks are also great.
Swati snacks.
Jumbo King, bro. I think it was very smart when it came out, right? Like
The McDonaldization of a vada pav.
off of vada pav, which is so smart, which is not your actual this. They 5x cost पे बेच रहा है सेम। दत्ता का वड़ा पाव खाएगा, इट्स द बेस्ट वड़ा पाव ऑन दिस प्लेनेट, नथिंग बीट्स दत्ता वड़ा पाव। बट उसको तो थोड़ा ऐसे एक पॉलिश किया, added some cheese to it, mix it up,
Get
and
a
suddenly you
graphic
can
designer.
get copy the same, get the reds, get the yellows, get people's eyes in, show them,
And the
make them a
packaging.
meal, packaging.
The
Suddenly
packaging
you're
is
eating, you're like, wow, this is great.
Dude,
And
you
you're
know,
charging 5x the
and
cost.
both of them are going in opposite directions. Like McDonald's is trying to be more Indian, and Jumbo King is trying to be more Western.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
at Jumbo King, you will find what is my favorite, which is the Mexican Jumbo King. So what if Marathi culture and Mexico come together?
Bye, see you.
Jumbo King will tell you. Oh, Bawa, come on. Don't be like this, Bawa. I don't know why I'm being.
What is a Mexican Jumbo King vada pav?
It's just spicy.
कुछ नहीं है मैं।
But vada
Just-
pav is spicy. You put the red chutney.
No, it's
and
little more. It more salsa
It's
and all.
got
They put.
cilantro.
They put salsa and shit on top of it. That's
You know,
the Mexican.
remember how we used to go crazy about Pizza Hut
Salsa
and
na
Domino's?
vada
Do you
pav.
do that? Do you do that now? I don't remember the last time I ate at Domino's.
I think
जिसका एक
Domino's-
सबसे बड़ा कंस्पिरेसी थियरी था ना कि उसके अंदर वो चीज नहीं है, वो एक्चुअली है लार्ड
Fevicol.
और मेयोनेज और पता नहीं और
No,
क्या।
I don't
White
miss the
paint.
Domino's because some of the pizza chains are just outstanding now. But
No, when it
Yeah.
came out, we were eating it.
yeah.
That cheese burst
Correct.
and all of that going fucking
Berserk.
mental.
Yeah,
Cheese
yeah.
burst was a little too much, but yeah, I
Dude,
was
they-
always
they
a
kept
thin-
doubling
Cheese bread,
down.
then that garlic bread, that fucking cheesy dip, add extra dip. Or two, by the time I entire my young adult life when I ate Domino's, उसके बाद तो आधा एक घंटा नहीं कर सकता है कुछ।
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
but that's the thing also, right? What the it's the same. It's the Americanization of appetite, right? Like just constantly upgrading.
Bigger
Where
size,
you're
bigger
making,
portions.
yeah, where you're making people eat more and more and more and more in terms of just plate size, because that volume increases how much revenue you actually manage
Yeah.
to get, right?
अरे अपना तू
But
मॉल में
just
जाएगा
to answer Kautuk's question, to answer Thakur's question, I don't miss McDonald's and all. But you know what I sometimes do crave? I crave McDonald's ka fries, dude.
Yeah.
I
Because that first
crave
day you
them.
went to McDonald's, it
Was
was
fries.
locked. It was locked in your senses that
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
but
will
I
never
don't miss
go.
Domino's. I don't miss
I
Domino's.
don't
as
miss
much.
Domino's at all or pizza.
because pizza, I think like they were able to upgrade. Like there are independent people making great pizza, but I don't think
Unreal
there's,
pizza.
Yeah,
Domino's
but-
never made great pizza. They made great pizza when you didn't have a choice.
yeah, like and it was like you
No, and
forget
also Domino's came in at a time when you were eating Udupi restaurant ka pizza.
dates. Like the thing
There
is
were
that
very few. There were very few like 5-star
No,
Italian pizza, thin crust.
Bawa
wood
in
fire.
general this was aspirational because it
Yeah.
was like ये फॉरेन में होता है तो अभी फॉरेन का इधर आया तो
Yeah.
हम लोग लेंगे. So like I remember it used to be for me it's synonymous with my dad and I, like every time there was a match on or something would get a big pizza and twisty garlic bread and have that and diet coke that used to come with the pizza. And the thing is, you know, they used to have the little table that they used to put in the pizza, and for years I was like, do you have, what is the purpose of the thing? And then
Please tell me you
once
know.
You know,
once what happened is once the guy didn't put the table and we found out because the thing got pachkoed and half my toppings was on the cardboard.
bro, same shit. Same shit happened to me. I called for it. It came late. Okay, and they gave some rain excuse, this, that. I said, fine, we are hungry. 3 पिज्जा मंगाए थे मैंने. पिज्जा खोला, literally toppings
Yes.
और bread.
Yes.
And I'm looking at it. That was the last time. I have not eaten Domino's since.
Dude, can I
That
tell
was
you?
like 10 years ago.
Is this worse than मेरा crispy noodle किधर है?
This is the worst. मतलब 1 घंटा रुका है, भूख से मर रहा है सब लोग घर
second.
पे,
अरे
और
पर
तेरा
उसने भी crispy
टॉपिंग्स,
noodle भेजा नहीं ना तेरे को.
हाँ लेकिन उसका राइस जमीन पे नहीं गिरा हुआ था ना, या किधर कुछ अटका हुआ था, वो
Hey,
था.
fuck. I
I
have.
could still eat. You know, like the other thing fast food chains started doing is, because they came under fire for causing obesity, this, that, they started introducing healthy items. मैंने देखा like suddenly McDonald's पे salad आ रहा है. मैं बोला bro, अगर मैं McDonald's के अंदर घुस रहा हूँ ना, is with one single-minded intention, and that is to dubay that burger and the fries.
No,
and
it's
feel
with
sick.
one single attention to say this date does not warrant a salad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in fact, I will not trust the salad at McDonald's. I'll trust your nuggets, even though they have silly putty in it.
क्योंकि
But
I just feel like वो salad भी fryer से निकलेगा ऐसा. You know that fryer they have where the it just is like it's bubbling all the time.
Sweden has a full vegan menus. Because
Vegan
now,
McDonald's.
yeah, now they started.
Where is
like,
other?
Yeah, exactly. They have vegan. They've started giving falafel there. So just to
Dude,
fight this whole
वरुण,
thing of
मैं एक चीज भूल गया. अभी मैं एक आर्टिकल खोला और मैंने देखा, यार ब्रो तू लंदन में डॉनर कबाब खाया?
हाँ तो सवाल, हर ड्रिंकिंग नाइट के बाद एंड या फुल स्टॉप फॉर द नाइट वाज डोनर कबाब. भर के
What is
वो
the doner
काट के,
kebab? Shawarma.
It's a fucking amazing lamb.
पूरा वो काट के ऐसे,
It's like a
ऐसे लंबे स्ट्रिप्स आते हैं,
prep
अंदर
looks like
भरता है.
shawarma, but it's not.
Yeah.
Dude,
But
I
it's like
feel
an open pita type. और उसके अंदर तेरे लैम के सब स्लाइसेस जाते हैं, सैलेड वैलेड जाता है, ऊपर से मेयो ये वो भर के चीज डालना है, चीज डाल, and it you eat that, after that you just comatose.
Dude, one of the Indian fast food joints that has never disappointed me, and it's my go-to. When I can't think of anything else, it's my go-to thing is Carter's Blue. The shawarma at Carter's Blue. There's one.
Used to be bro, अभी क्या जा रहा है कार्टर्स ब्लू?
अभी
नहीं,
तक मेरा best है वो. Like it's that Dajjaj shawarma. Oh my god, that's my thing. Like if there's two things I'd like to promote on this podcast: pass the salt and Carter's Blue. Not that Carter's Blue needs this.
See, pass the salt I have not had, so I will not comment.
Oh, it's
Carter's
too good.
Blue, I will vehemently oppose this thing.
No.
Because it used to be good some 15 years ago, I think, but now
तेरे को क्या है
not.
कुछ experience? Personal story.
No, it's just not good.
It's just not good. That's my personal story. I ate it and I didn't like it.
No, I'm saying like, if you
Lies.
look at even Japanese like sushi, while there is artisanal sushi, just like there are artisanal burgers and
अरे
stuff
वो
like
क्या
that.
जीरो ड्रीम्स ऑफ सुशी देखा है कि नहीं?
Yeah, Zero Dreams of
Dude,
Sushi.
Bawa
But
and I have had artisanal pani puri at Indian. What is that place?
Indian accent, but it
accent.
wasn't artisanal pani puri. He didn't even
was-
call it pani puri.
He called it pani puri.
What
Very.
the fuck was in it?
No, he didn't.
They gave you
It
pani
was
puris
16. It was 16.
and 16 flavored waters in test tubes. And it
So you have to
in test
inject-
tubes. No,
एक पानी पूरी देना.
like a-
It was
like
in
a-
short glasses. No?
जलजीरा.
No, and test tubes. Like you had to fucking be a biochemist and put it inside each thing.
No,
But
it
what
was
did
really
they
good.
have? Bundi? Did they have aloo? Do you guys like
So there
aloo or bundi in your pani puri?
In my
Neither.
pani
I
puri-
want ragda.
I'm aloo.
I'm a
ragda
hot
person.
ragda,
Yeah,
cold
hot ragda.
cold tikha pani only.
No aloo.
No.
No meetha pani. I don't want meetha pani.
मीठा मीठा एक डैश ऐसे हल्का सा.
नहीं.
Just hot ragda. That
Right.
and also basically the thing is in the pani puri, if I'm feeling like a little note, then along with the hot ragda, little bit of onion, but only tikha pani.
No, but Baba, I don't agree with only tikha pani. It has to be medium. And it
ये
has
से ये बॉम्बे है, ठीक है. दो होता है, एक तीखा होता है या तो मीठा
Medium.
होता है. मीडियम
medium होता है. Medium होता है. जिधर
इधर
तू
बना है बॉम्बे में.
medium है
मुझे
मस्त है.
मीडियम देना.
रगड़ा तीखा पूरी तीखा पानी and मीठा चटनी.
This
Oh
is
God,
where
yes.
the comment section is going to lose their mind because it's going to be Delhi.
It's Golgappe versus Puchka versus Pani Puri.
Guys,
And
I'll tell you one
Let us
thing.
know in the comments what you like more.
No, no, no. So I've already
listen, I
done this on my
respect all
story.
of you, and I think each one is like good, but then there's Ragada, which is the best. So let's not.
So no. Here's the after all of the fighting and thing, despite me creating a ruckus on my own stories by saying Pani Puri greater than Puchka greater than Golgappa, but
I'm also Pani Puri first.
yeah, but no,
Yeah.
I'll tell you why that is. I'll tell you why that is. It is because
Oh, there's a
chart is where you the your favorite chart is the chart that you grew up eating. It's only because it hits that
Primordial.
nostalgic sweet spot, and so chart
It's
cannot
like the
be
McDonald's
replaced.
fries smell, bro.
Yeah,
like-
so chart cannot be replaced because it's basically
something is
your
off.
mom's.
Yeah,
it is
something is
it is it is your mom's, like your mom's dal. You it cannot be replicated. It just cannot. And that's why it's your favorite dal, right? Or your whatever your mom or dad or brother or sister made best for you, it's that. With chaat, that's the problem. It is the city that you grew up in, because people from Jaipur will howl about Jaipur. People
And it's
from
Baba, I would go even more specific. I though feel like it's not just the place you grew up in, but that one particular guy who was
No,
your
yeah.
guy.
But Kautuk,
Dude.
I'll tell you something. Just because you moved from Low Parel to Andheri doesn't necessarily mean you won't eat a pani puri in Andheri. You know what I'm saying?
No, I get
Uh,
what you're saying, but like there is also like there's one particular guy in Juhu who makes like who was our
Fifth Road.
go-to guy,
Fifth Road.
quite possibly the same guy.
वही है
And
जूस
outside,
जूस की Fifth Road.
हाँ, तो हम
So
लोग जाते थे
Bandra
उधर.
East Kalanagar, there's one guy who does.
Now the thing is, the crazy thing about Bombay or any city for that matter is that everyone has the best pani puri
Yeah.
person, right? And it's one of the things that you do with your friends as an activity for a day, where
Yeah.
they will tell
In
you
fact,
that
it's not even their own pani puri. It can be a different dish altogether, right? Like pav bhaji that you get in Bombay.
yeah.
It doesn't taste the same even if you go to Pune, which is 150 kilometers away. It's nothing compared to what you get in Delhi. Delhi में मतलब पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हो. What they sell as pani puri isn't pani puri. Same thing.
So
if a
what-
Delhi person comes here and
eats
tries to
butter
eat
chicken.
the butter chicken or the chole
Yeah,
or the
so-
paratha, they be like, ये क्या बना रहा है?
Yeah.
You know, so अपने इधर इतना crazy variety, but look at the genius of pav bhaji, bro. Look at I think who's the guy who made Sardar wala tha na, who
Sardar
started.
Pav Bhaji.
Wasn't he one of the first people who did it, or did it exist before? I think it
No,
was.
I
him.
thought it was a Ghatkopar invention. Let me check.
Yeah, I think it was Sardar. Where basically, look at the genius. मेरे पास बचे कुछ ये सब्जी पड़े, मेरे को फेंकना नहीं है. इसको मैं एक साथ रख के मैश कर देता हूँ, थोड़ा मसाला डालता हूँ, बटर डालता हूँ, and suddenly it tastes heavenly.
Dude, I have a feeling Sardar Pav Bhaji invented cholesterol because
Oh, McDonald's है, bro.
you've seen the way he does that, right? Like he'll lay out the pav bhaji, then he goes to the fridge and he pulls
he
out
takes a
one
slab of
full-
butter.
No, so
he
it
takes
is
out a new Amul butter and he puts the whole thing in it. You're expecting him to cut it? He's like, fuck that.
Yeah.
So it basically so I mean, yes, it is a Sardar who has
Yeah.
invented it, but it was invented for people who, like, for mill workers and textile mill workers who were sort of during
But
their lunch break
that's the
or
thing. You look
whatever
at
it is.
any fast food; those were the primary people it was meant for, and then that suddenly changes into this crazy like.
Yeah,
mental-
because if you were a mill owner, like, and your workers were doing fine dine, it was a waste of your mill
exactly.
time.
And you
know what I
need
mean?
inexpensive food, right? Like
Yeah.
I'm sure the same thing goes for tacos also, right? Like, which by the way nobody makes well in this fucking country for some reason, right?
On this continent.
नहीं कंटेनर कोई नहीं बनाता है ब्रो. एक अच्छा टाकोस दो. सिर्फ मेरा दोस्त है एक आनंद who owns Brewbot. He makes best tacos. उसके अलावा I'm not
Anand
eating good
tacos.
tacos here.
All right.
Okay.
By the way, Sardar Pav Bhaji is founder's name is Sardar Ahmed.
Nice.
So there's a
Yeah,
guy
he's
called,
not an actual Sardar.
Yeah, of course not.
But man,
I mean now it's shut though,
legend.
right? It's
Nahin,
shut
nahin,
now.
they've revamped.
Something
I
happened. They had shut for something and then probably.
passed by them and they have become swank. Like they've changed all the exteriors. It's no longer like a pit stop on the highway. It's like a proper like a thing now. with a glitzy little Sardar Pav Bhaji and all of that stuff. Pretty cool.
But look at, for that matter, even look at Amar Juice or something like that, right? That
Yeah.
you have in Bombay.
Yeah,
That's
dude.
it's insane. You know the amount of money that guy makes, especially the
dude.
one here in Parla, because a pure veg, that entire area is Gujju, and Gujjus love their fast food type food. उनको
Yeah,
वो
yeah.
फ्राइडे फैमिली डिनर है हम लोग उधर
Swati
चटाई लगा
snacks,
के बैठ के
bro.
पाव भाजी खाना है you know that's a fucking
Swati
thing.
snacks, bro. That's
I
when
have I have
my
called
Gujarati
Bawa
comes out.
once. We had again we were in town somewhere, and I called Bawa. I was like, Bawa, can you recommend a place? And you know, we did like this table tennis of different places, and then finally Bawa goes, you know what you want, but you're not able to express. And I said, what? He's like, Swati snacks, and I was like, yes, yes, Bawa, chilla, I want
Because
it.
he called me and he said, I'm here outside, I'm at Kolaba, tell me some fancy place. So I'm like, table and all don't go. So then he was like, I want some Chinese food. So I told him where that he can try the one in just outside Taj and all that.
कौतुक को
ये सब-
बगदादी क्यों नहीं भेजा bro?
नहीं अरे पहले
Which I love,
No,
which I
no, no.
love. Which
Not
I fucking
surprised.
no,
Kautuk.
he was like, I want to go to a nice place and all. So I was like, okay. So then I was giving him a couple of options, and then then it hit me that Kautuk wanted nice place. He meant AC, but food he wanted like Swati.
Chilla,
So I
chilla.
was like, just Swati. And also this dude, Swati Snacks opening in Khar is just the worst thing that has happened to me, dude. It's just like literally every 4 days I'm ordering, dude. It's mad.
No, because that food hit so. आज मैंने पूरा दिन क्या खाया? दिन में मैंने रवा डोसा,
Hmm,
मेदू वड़ा,
hmm,
पेपर डोसा, ये मैंने खाया लंच.
hmm.
डिनर पे पाव भाजी, पिज्जा. निकिता घर पे नहीं है तो मेरी वाट लग जाती. बट
फट गए.
अपने आप it's so comforting, the food, that if you're on Zomato or Swiggy or whatever scrolling through and you don't know what, एक तेरा comfort food पे आके अटक जाता है, where
Yeah,
you know what it's going to taste like, what it's going to be, what it makes you feel, और तू वो by default मंगा लेगा.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, by the way, I want to take you through this. This is a very interesting thing. So Wikipedia has an entry called Indian fast food. Okay. And they have a thing where they've basically boiled it down. Okay. Like a textbook. They've been like, popular formats of fast food business in India have the following features in common. Okay. So here is what it takes to be a fast food thing in India. So first is you need a wide opening on the roadside. Okay, that's the first. Second is easy to maintain and durable decor. This is also true. Easy to
Same
maintain.
unicolored
durable-
plastic chairs.
Yeah. Even if they get stolen, you shouldn't feel too bad. Okay, that's the vibe.
Like, and I'm saying this is true for everything. Like, even if you go back a couple of decades and you look at the Kayani bakeries,
Yeah,
and
yeah. All of
like
them
you
are
look at
same.
the Irani cafes, right? The decor color or the structure may be different, but the theoretical
Vibes.
sentence of that,
Vibes are same.
the theoretical meaning of that sentence is bang
Then
on.
the next one is a cash counter where food coupons are sold. Bang on. Bang on. Then a food delivery counter, which invariably is granite topped. What a specific thing to say.
A food delivery counter, and you know what that is? He's talking
No,
about
because
the
everything
pass.
else is that steel and this. एक ये
Yeah.
side पे है, which looks
Granite.
little bit different, which is
It's the
granite
pass.
on it.
It's the
And-
pass from the kitchen to the main
And
waiter.
yeah, if you are an Indian, you know that you gravitate towards that. You automatically coupon either straight, right? The next is additional counters for ice cream, chats, beverages, etc., which is that steel ka cabinet that they have, right? Then a well-fitted kitchen located so as to be visible to the customers. Correct. Where you can see, like the guy shouts, right?
Yeah.
Like
No,
do
you
Mysore
can hear
masala.
you can hear the pav bhaji being made, the clanking of the
The sweat
And-
falling into
and
your.
where the
Oh,
guy
man.
shouts, "Do Mysore masala," and nobody accepts
Response.
the call. There is no, like in a normal place, when you shout the order and there is somebody who is shouting the order, the chef, they scream, "Yes, chef," or "Yes," or "I got it," or there is no response. It's just the response to "Do masala dosa" is two
Is
masala dosas.
nothing,
That's
yeah.
the response.
No, and by the way, it's not just 2 masala dosa. 2 masala dosa, 3 pav bhaji, 4 ye, 15 wo, 16 ye, no response, and 5 minutes later is ready. The guy
All
just
of them are
gets it.
there.
Like fuck what?
Magic.
Who?
Also,
And dude,
those guys.
One
you
sec.
know,
Is the final thing in that?
wait,
in that
wait.
list?
1 second. Baba.
I know there's a lot, but I'm very curious about this.
No,
Is
so
the
wait.
final one
Huh.
one in it saying your bill comes dipped in soft?
No, but great this thing. So no, the thing I was going to talk about was that when you look at the guys working in the kitchen, it always reminds me of in Titanic, those guys who were shoveling coal into the thing. It's the same conditions.
Yeah, but that's line cooks everywhere, dude.
Same conditions.
बाकी
That's
सब
line cooks
से
everywhere.
उधर थोड़ी जाके एकदम हीरो बन के बैठे बेचारे काम कर रहे हैं.
Then this is true of a lot of places, but I think not all. So this is tall tables, typically of stainless steel, where one can eat while standing.
Yeah, but you'll see
Yeah.
that also. तू
Yeah, a
दत्ता
lot
में
of
जाएगा तो
places.
देखेगा ना साइड पे वो है, बीच में तेरे
हाँ.
रेगुलर टेबल है.
Drinking water fountain adorned with water filter. Correct. Where people
Adorned
are
is the
also-
right word. Adorned is the right word. It's not
They've
with
not
water.
used functioning.
Yeah.
Not functioning water filter. That's the
And the last thing on this list, Baba, is rust proof and non-breakable crockery. क्योंकि पब्लिक तो गिराने वाला है दोस्त.
हाँ, इसलिए प्लास्टिक.
हाँ,
और तूने
straight
कभी अगर गलती से जब भी तू ये सब जाता था ना फास्ट अपने उडुपी टाइप रेस्टोरेंट में, अगर तूने पानी मंगाया ना तो he would bring the water, you know how ना,
yes.
like that 2 glasses with his finger dip,
Yes.
and that you would
Yes.
Now
You
will.
would say एक माजा.
No.
you've seen it, and अबे we've had it.
अरे immunity
Yeah,
समझ के पी लेने का.
हाँ.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Shitesh,
That's happened.
He's blessed,
That's
he's
happened.
blessed the water. Now
हाँ.
nothing will happen to you.
So
And it's come and he's not placed it. He has thumped it. So there are
Little droplets for
He's, because he's in such a hurry. And it's only fair because during lunchtime it is mad crowded, dude. Fuck that Madras Cafe, dude.
Oh, yes,
in the
let's talk
morning
about
at
those.
6:30,
Insane.
dude.
let's talk about those.
Unreal,
You know, the
dude.
sad
एक तो
part
that
is that
sharing table.
we are talking about this right now. It's 12:30 और मेरे को ये कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है अब फिलहाल. अभी तूने मेरे दिमाग में मद्रास कैफे डाल दिया है, ब्रो. मेरे को कल
नहीं.
सुबह जाना है उधर.
और
5:30 बजे जाके 6:30 बजे जाके बैठना
हाँ.
पड़ेगा.
dude, that South Indian.
There is any very few things in the world as comforting as a South Indian breakfast. Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It hits the soul.
Dude, can I, there is one niche within that which I always crave, but only on some days I get because they make it on some days. It's this thing called buns puri. That's such a beautiful, it's a sweet bread which you can then dip into sambar and have it. It's,
What?
This guy is just
Yeah, man.
unreal, yeah, this-
Why can't you have food just
No, like
without
there is
I
this?
can't explain, man. It's a
There is
thing.
this Konkani thing which is like which is kind of like an idli, but it's baked in jackfruit. It's steamed in jackfruit leaves.
I was going to say
It's called
castrol. For some.
No, jackfruit leaves. It's called khotto. Okay, khotto. It's just genuinely outstanding. Yeah, some of it is
Eh,
just.
Hey, while we're on South Indian cuisine, like we'll just talk about all of these. Like it's this
You know
is all,
how many people you've gotten upset when you clubbed it as South Indian cuisine, no?
what I mean is this is the definition of it on the Wikipedia article. Okay, here's what all is
It's
in it.
5 states, dude. You can't
Yeah,
just
but
club
it's-
it like
It's on Wikipedia.
Okay,
It has been for
the region.
convenience. Yeah.
The region.
The
Okay.
Southern Indian food.
Yeah,
Okay,
there you
so
That's just elongated South Indian.
yeah, exactly, Baba. That's what it
go. Food
meant.
from the southern part of India.
Oh my lord. Okay,
But
so
okay, let's go.
it is idli, vada.
Yeah, are you reading a menu?
Yeah.
It's there on Wikipedia. Dosa, as part of dosa, there is masala dosa, rava dosa, and set dosa. Okay,
Oh,
then
there's no paper dosa, sada dosa.
no, none of that shit.
Ghee, sada dosa, masala
Have you had that
dosa,
experience
bread
where
dosa.
a guy calls
Rava
for the massive paper dosa, right? The
Yes.
massive one, the whole table one.
पेपर डोसा.
हाँ, paper one. And
वो 10 फुट का भी आता था, लंबा
10
लंबा.
फुट
तो
का
ऐसे you can have like family sitting on either side,
yeah,
digging
digging
into
in.
it at the same time.
Bro, and the waiter who gets it right is always so pleased that today was the day that he got to do this.
Yeah.
Because he's now the center of attention, right? So he's coming in, everyone's like, "Ye kya? He started kya?"
It's the
Well, it's
equivalent
like
of, you know, the champagne with sparklers.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what it's the equivalent of. It's the equivalent of Sizzler.
Yes, also Sizzler. Yeah, where it comes sizzling and everyone's like, "Oh." oh, someone's paying
No, and the
fancy.
thing is, even yours is going to come sizzling only like that, right? Like
No,
because
but
it's a sizzler joint.
no, no.
That
Unless you
excitement of seeing it come, whether it's coming to your table or elsewhere,
Diminish.
get
also
old.
Sizzlers, what a sham, dude. Yeah.
Why? Baap, sizzler है bro.
अरे
Dude, I mean, I've
तवाई
eaten
लेके
my
आ गए
fair share.
सामने. इतना fresh, गर्मा गर्म तेरे सामने.
अरे
मजेदार.
ठाकुर 11 मेडिसिन पे नहीं दे रहे ना बावा को तो बावा is like whatever is not on that menu ना I will just be like
That's not, dude. I've just spoken
What a
about
sham.
Swati snacks with the same.
अच्छा but बावा between Swati Snacks and Michelin star restaurant what would you pick?
Swati snacks, because if I eat at a Michelin star every day, I'm broke. I'm
Fair.
not going to be able to eat
Fair.
it.
I would
Every
choose
day.
it out of preference.
No.
So there's Pongal, Wangi Bhat, Bonda,
तो menu क्यों
chaat
पढ़ रहा है?
and puri. I'm just saying if anything strikes a chord.
Arey, dude,
I just
everything
eating
strikes
food
a
items.
chord.
Samosa,
but I'm saying-
vada pav, sandwich.
One of the best things about studying in Ruya was that you got to eat at all of these places repeatedly.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
the Madras Cafe and all of these places, like Anand Bhavan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But
So
going
good.
going back to that one thing I was talking about earlier, right? Where they are now like fast food. I'm talking about your main American chains, right? Of restaurant which came under a lot of flack
Dude,
because of
Chipotle did an entire campaign which talked about how they've changed their sourcing. And they've
yeah.
become
Now
like
it's fresher
organic.
produce, local ingredients, vegan burger. They started now trying the Impossible Burger, which is your lab meat,
Oh yeah. There's-
and then
yeah.
made completely with plant stuff.
Yeah.
Just
I
to-
would have lab meat, man, as long as it tasted the same. And
Dude, Burger King
So
ka
it's never going to
Grand
be the
Prix-
same because I had one in Australia.
कैसा था?
It chicken नहीं था.
क्या था?
Very clearly chicken नहीं था. मतलब I know it's not chicken. It's not supposed to be chicken. But I'm saying that it's closer in terms of taste and all. उतना नहीं था. But Singapore apparently
has nailed it.
it. It's got everything. The lab
Texture.
meat bleeds.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, and that's
Yeah,
one
so
of the
when you
things
when you rest a steak, it sort of
Who
Yeah.
made it? The Ramsay brothers.
that.
No. So, Burger King this year at Cannes won Grand Prix because of their ad. You know what the ad was? The ad
Fuck,
was
Baba, I was so confused because you said Burger King, Cannes, Grand Prix. I was like, those are very different things individually. You know what I mean? Like there is a Cannes Film Festival, a Grand Prix F1
is
race,
the
and
biggest
a
this
Burger
at
I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? Makes
So-
sense. Okay. Huh.
So they won, and basically they sort of the ad, they put out what they called the moldy burger. Okay, so you know how most fast food chains would advertise really fucking sexy looking burgers, right? They
Yeah.
put up a moldy burger, and it basically the idea was that it's made from fresh ingredients, so you can't leave it out for a day. It will go
Very
moldy.
nice.
And that's what you're talking about, like just being organic and being
Dude, there is a cousin of Siddhi who is a food stylist. And when you talk to a food stylist is a person who basically is for advertising shoots. Baba knows this, right? They recreate the
dude. We had one on
The best
on our
version.
Zomato shoot.
Yeah, they create the best version of the food, and it doesn't necessarily have to be edible, right? So, for example, for
Not necessarily, it is not going to be edible with all the stuff they actually put on it to make
Yeah.
it
make
seem a
it
certain
yeah,
way.
like what do
Yeah.
they do, Baba? They use Fevicol for something and
Paint for milk,
oil for something. Yeah,
Yeah.
paint for milk. Yeah,
diluted paint for milk.
Yeah. So it just has to look visually appealing. It has nothing to do with what it actually is like. So if you talk to them, they give you such a weird idea of you'll never be you'll never look at advertising for food again and want to eat any of that shit if you know what it really is.
Yeah, and how they sort of cheat it and stuff like that. Like there are a few brands that say
Maple
that no,
syrup
we
they
will-
use oil, like literal engine oil.
So a lot of people, like, there are a few brands that say that no, you have to shoot with our ingredient, no matter how real it is. You can enhance it a little bit on CG, but you have to shoot with our product. There are very few brands that do that.
Right.
Very, very few. Otherwise, it's like Japan also has this whole culture, right, of making the food look exactly what it's going to be like. So there are these miniature plastic display pieces, but they look like, and I think there's a couple of places in Bombay also where I've seen it, where the vada pav is actually acrylic or plastic, but it looks
I've
like
seen
a
that. Yeah.
So, but it looks like a fucking vada pav you want to pick up and eat.
Yeah,
Because
he's right.
it's bread open with like a chili hanging out and fucking.
Bawa, and they don't even do, or maybe I'm just mistaken. Like I was at that
No, it's
Bombay
you
Pune.
probably eat it.
No, Bombay Pune, that food stop is
Atta.
there, right? No. There's that fucking the food.
No,
mart.
this is when with the bad wala food stop,
Yeah.
which is on
They
your
have
way
that,
to Pune on the left.
On your way to
John.
Pune, not the
Arey.
one on the way.
And
Right.
there they have all of these things. They have like Zunka Bhakar and all in the same
Yeah.
acrylic font, like form, and it's like way not good. So I found this fact on eatthis.com,
Hmm.
which is there
That's
was
quite
one,
a subdued website for you to find stuff from Kautuk.
yeah. So this fact is basically that there was one Burger King burger which was made with black squid ink.
Yum.
Squid ink is delish.
Bro, it's a
Dude.
delicacy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a.
मैं
there's
क्रोएशिया में
one-
खाया था squid ink pasta, black color का है pasta. Bro,
Yeah,
एकदम
yeah.
gooey,
man.
but it's-
No, so. in
How do they
Bombay, there's a
collect the
restaurant
squid ink?
called-
How do they do that?
they catch the squid,
Yeah, when you
Then what,
when you cut the sack, you get squid ink, no?
पूरा वो जो निकलता है.
So the there's a place in Lower called Qualia which does a squid ink linguine. It's pretty outstanding.
So this was a limited time only in 2014 for Burger King customers in Japan. It was a black burger which included black cheese made from bamboo charcoal and a black squid ink sauce on a charred black bun. It was pretty. It looks
You know
pretty.
this. You know a lot of these burger joints when they also like they tried in their effort to look healthy. They go from deep fried to this is grilled. You know they started doing grilled burgers, but that entire charred flavor and this is not coming from there. It's basically there's a company, I forgot the name. Now their job is they create flavors. So those flavors are created separately, bottled, and then put. So what you think is that nice char grilled flavor that's coming, it's not actually coming because they made it that way.
Dude, also
An
speaking
artificial ingredient.
Artificial. Yeah.
speaking of this, there's one thing which is hilarious. It just says Subway's bread used to contain a chemical also found in yoga mats.
Yeah. अरे मैं देखो वही तो बोल रहा था even this the same thing is in this also it's got a really longish
Yeah, so it's called, the thing was called, I'm trying to do this, okay, azordi carbonamide. Azordi carbonamide, a chemical
Achha,
that can be found in yoga mats.
so the one I was telling you about which is in Silipati and Nuggets is dimethylpolysiloxane.
Wow.
It's
Dude,
used
it's
in
in a yoga mat
cosmetics.
with Subway because yoga mats are healthy. Subway is healthy. So,
कहाँ से होगा?
so that's what it is.
तो कल अगर ब्रेड खत्म हो गया तो मैट के बीच में डाल सब्जी
सब्जी
ऑल
और-
सॉसेस
Well,
और
और फिर उल्टा होके खा.
Okay, here's a horrifying fact. Do you want to hear this? I don't know
Oh
if
God,
it'll-
Kautuk, just
if
end
it,
it,
no,
please.
it's
is
going
it
to
going to
change
make you
your
want to
life.
eat it? Kautuk.
No, I mean, it depends actually which part of the world you're from. So it basically says that according to the FDA website, this is the American Food and Quality Control.
Food and Drug Administration.
It is admissible for tomato sauces to contain 30 or more fly eggs per 100 grams
Ew.
and one or more maggots per 100 grams.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's admissible. It's all right. People all over the world eat insects on a daily basis and they likely won't harm you. But it's good to know that you're getting that extra protein on your pizza.
And that's why I anyway don't eat ketchup at any of these places because I don't like ketchup.
Dude, man, like some of the, have you seen that thing where they, I don't know if this is a true thing or not, but they showed you like this picture of a mutated chicken and they were like, KFC is now making this chicken to put in their burger, and it was just like a weird.
They start showing
Yeah,
pictures
yeah.
of the chicken they're putting in. What?
Yeah, no.
yeah,
So
yeah.
someone.
So basically, it was a.
ये एक chicken कैसा है? ये
No.
खा रहा है.
No.
थोड़ा मूवी आंखों में देख रहा है
it's
सर,
a
इसका फोटो तो मत लगाओ यहाँ पर आप.
it's a genetically enginered chicken.
Super
अरे,
chicken.
So
the same chickens are going with McDonald's alus to the gym यार, ये वही वाले chicken. बल्कि
so
ऐसे
as a
ट्राइसेप
result,
से
dude,
उनके
I'm so
chicken
glad
है.
Adar is not here for this conversation.
Yeah,
वरना हम लोग को झाड़ देता और मेरे को पूरा edit करना पड़ता था वो section.
You know, so there's a place in the US called Arby's. Okay, so
Arby's.
Arby's खाया तू कभी? So what they had done is they had put an ad, okay, which showed their range of meats that they have. तो तेरे सब ऐसे ham slices ये वो सब पड़ा हुआ है और पब्लिक को वो देख के इतना अच्छा लगा that became a burger.
Oh.
Because if you see stack of meat, right, different types of ham, etc., that are stacked, people look at it is looking good, so they literally
Must.
put two
Buns.
two buns on either side, और वो बन गया.
But ये भी बहुत funny fact है, which is that getting into McDonald's was more competitive than Harvard in 2011. In 2011, Harvard accepted only 7% of applicants, while McDonald's accepted just 6.2% of
No,
people
but-
looking for jobs.
But here's the thing, right?
Volumes.
That's also got to do with the no, it's not just volumes. It's also got to do with the virtue of the McDonald's already, because this is what 2011, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're also looking at you coming off a financial crisis, and people have taken jobs. So McDonald's is staffed. They're not looking for more people. So there's a lot of these other factors that sort of work. So I mean, that are at play.
I just saw what
And
it
I
says. Taco Bell was sued for calling their taco filling meat. जाने के पहले, if you were to start a fast food restaurant, what would your choice of the food item be? Caustic.
Samosa, chocolate.
Remind me to never come to you.
With chipotle on the side.
Oh, fuck. Why don't you dunk all of it in sambar and have it, Kautuk?
He
Yeah,
probably would,
yeah.
and then eat it with the sweet bun. Huh?
I feel like dosas can do with a lot more meat fillings, and like they don't
There was a place called Dosa Diner that did that.
yeah, like we don't find enough of those in Bombay. Like I feel like that would also work very well, like the non-veg side of that food.
Baba, tu?
I don't think I'd be able to do fast food. I take too much care, but I would do a burger joint.
Burger joint. I would do a taco place. Not a Taco Bell because that's disgusting. But
Because of meat.
yeah, because of meat. But I would love to start a taco chain. I don't even want it to be a chain. I just want to have one nice taco
And
restaurant.
You
nice
don't
taco
want
place.
even that. I think, Varun,
Wow.
you just want a restaurant, even if it's not yours, to serve good tacos.
I want it to be me so I can eat anytime. Okay, so that's it from this episode of the Internet Set. So we were talking about fast food. Let us know in the comments what your favorite
your
fast
favorites,
food restaurants are. Any recommendations you guys have, so that other people in the comments can read and eat from them.
Yeah, and also specify where you're from, because if you just say
Yeah.
go to this restaurant, we're like, where is this on Zomato? Just like let us know if you should be looking for it. Where you're from?
We should have charged money for this episode, no?
Why?
Because
whom?
now we're asking other people also to recommend restaurants.
Hey, go to Pass the Salt.
Yeah, Kautuk does not have a stake there.
I really want them to do really
No,
well.
there's-
So I
there's-
can-
Hello,
Enough
I'm very
there.
hungry. Baba looks like he's probably already asleep. So we will see you guys again next week. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to the podcast, introduce new people to the podcast, and enjoy fast food.
Next
That's
week's
it from us
podcast
this week. Next week
is the podcast everyone has been waiting for and asking for. It is about magazines.
So if you've read Filmfare or Stardust,
or
join us.
Cineblitz.
do join us.
Hold up.
Mayapuri. Is that a magazine? I have a feeling it's a magazine.
Maya Puri.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
Puri is
sure
amazing.
it is. I'm sure
Why
it
does
is.
it sound like a variety of Pani Puri?
Or a knife. Is Mayapuri a knife?
No, that's Rampuri.
Okay.
Did Amrish Puri have a daughter? See, we should have ended 10 minutes ago. Actually, this is what happens.